Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snipping Tool and the file with your signature. This puts the source on screen so you can capture accurately. Once the window is visible, choose rectangular mode and zoom the document if needed. Make sure the signature is well lit and not pixelated, because clarity matters when you crop. After that, position the cursor at one corner, prepare a clean, steady drag, and take the snip immediately so you don't accidentally move the window. Once the snip is captured, you refine it. Crop tightly to remove excess background and use the eraser to clean stray marks. This increases legibility. You might switch to a small brush to smooth jagged pixels and, if available, choose a transparent background for overlay use. Save the result as PNG when you need transparency or JPG for a smaller file. Make sure to name the file clearly so you can find the signature. To finish, you insert the saved signature into your document. Resize proportionally so it looks natural, and set wrapping to in front of text or type for best placement. Once done, save the document as a new file to preserve the original. If the signature appears pixelated or the background isn't transparent, reopen Snipping Tool, increase screen zoom, retake the snip, and save as PNG. This usually fixes clarity issues. If transparency still fails, remove background in a simple editor before reinserting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.